Let's take a quick look about MRV's packet optical networking approach. One such is basically providing a passive, or not a passive, but a transparent WDM approach. The ability to take a product that's interconnected on ROADM-based technology using a product, something like a fiber drive, a lambda drive. With the WDM approach, you have the capability to take any rate, any speed, and any service, and transparently connect that to any part of the network. At layer 1 with point-to-point transparency. That gives me the capabilities to support all the legacy needs of OTN, FACT, and fiber channel, offering complete rate-independent services, and also including not only a ROADM for optical cross-connects, but also e-ROADM functionality, the ability to address any point-to-any-point connectivity in the network itself. And an additional level of granularity and flexibility is adding tunable lasers on top of the ROADM, so you've got complete flexibility to assign any service to any other service in the network in the optical layer. Taking the transparent WDM approach and layering the capabilities of addressing the needs of the packet optical side, we simply take the two technologies that we've had for quite some time and have converged those into a common platform where you can now have a hybrid packet optical and WDM approach. So now you can take the same provisioning tools and do optical and packet provisioning, optical and packet protection. You can do protocol-based protection at layer 2, 3, or 4, or something you can do link state protection at layer 1. And do this all with a multi-layer admin type of tool set. In terms of the product set that we're using, all of these products that you're going to see here are on display in our booth, and I'd like to those firsthand. One of which is the Lambda Driver product family. It spans several different platforms. It's a fully gridded solution that integrates both the optical transport layer as well as the packet optical network layer. It combines GMPLS, MPLS, and transparent WDM services all in one common platform. And also provides you with the flexibility of a fully gridded CWDM footprint, as well as an enormous capacity on the DWDM, several hundred nodes. So with the Lambda Driver product family, our target markets are typically the carrier service providers, the MSOs, the typical cable operators that are out there that need high bandwidth backhaul services. And certainly on the cellular and wireless backhaul services as the content and the bandwidth requirements continue to grow out on the edge. People with swing boxes, rich media content, iPhones, and things like that, those edge bandwidths continue to grow. The ability to have a universal transport system that can be provisioned on the fly to address those bandwidth needs, you're pretty much going to find it in the Lambda Driver types of products. Complementary to the Lambda Driver is also our switching platform called the OptiSwitch. I'm proud to say that the OptiSwitch 9124, one of our announcements here at NXTComm, was a finalist in the Best of Show category for the Ethernet switching, and it's under the glass piece over there in the booth. But essentially, this is a product that scales over several different platforms to give you rich CPE demarcation, the ability to take an MEF certified product, establish QoS flows, quality of service, and force SLAs all the way out to the edge, the packet access room. So we're scalable from the circuit emulation, the T1 side, all the way up through 10 gigabit transport side on the uplink of the OptiSwitch. Typical case study of a universal packet optical network that addresses both WDM and packet types of technologies. Basically, between the product sets that we have here, we offer a complete end-to-end solution for access, metro, regional, and long-haul types of services. Historically, that's been accomplished by using 2 to 3 different types of technologies, all integrated together, disparate control planes. In this approach here, we're offering a single common control plane over a common set of protocols, a single user interface, very, very rapid learning curves, the ability to do provisioning from a single point of view. So I think, again, that's typically the capability of offering an end-to-end solution under one GMPLS control plane. As we summarize here, as far as the advantages of the MRV technologies and solutions, there's a lot of confidence in the fact that we've been around since 1988, been around for 20 years. We don't anticipate going anywhere for the next 20 years. We're going to continue our quarter-by-quarter innovations and rolling out new technologies, new solutions. Our focus right now is on the unification of transport systems, the ability to address the transport requirements at all layers, whether it be MPLS, GMPLS, IP, or transparent WDM services. We're doing that with a common approach. We have certainly the broadest optical portfolio here in the trade show floor. Everything from carrier Ethernet platforms for simple optical demarcation, both in dumb devices as well as with very intelligent devices for QoS support, high bandwidth, high density WDM transport, next generation optical packet transport. Again, where we've integrated both technologies under the roof. Certainly, the most attractive side from the carrier perspective is the unified control plane, the ability to manage this from a single point of presence in the entire network. So in terms of going with an MRV solution, you can take confidence in the fact that we have a long history of technical innovations. We certainly have outstanding products. We've been show winners at various industry trade shows, various analyst recognition.